In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Notion page. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to give someone access to a page using an invite and how to share it quickly with a link, all without any confusion. First, open your browser and head over to notion.com. This is the quickest way to access your workspace, whether you use Notion in a browser or prefer the desktop app. On the home page, click Login or Launch Notion. If you already have a session active or the app installed, Launch Notion takes you straight in. If not, choose Login and sign in with your usual account. The goal here is simply to get into your Notion environment. Once you're in, go to your workspace. Your workspace is the home base where all your pages live. If you're part of more than one workspace, just make sure you're in the one that contains the page you plan to share. It helps to glance at the workspace name in the sidebar so you're sharing from the right place. Now, navigate to the page you want to share. You can find it from the sidebar, search for it by title, or open it from recent pages. Give the page a quick check to confirm it's the correct one and that the content is ready for others to see. At the top right of the page, click Share. This opens a small sharing window. Here's where you can invite people directly. In the field provided, type the email address of the person you want to share the page with, or type the name of a group that already exists in your workspace. Take a moment to double check spelling so your invite reaches the right person or team. When you're ready, click Invite. The person will receive an invitation and can access the page once they accept. This method is great when you know exactly who needs access and want to keep sharing precise and organized. Another way to share is to click Copy Link. This copies the page's link to your clipboard instantly. From there, paste the link into an email, a chat message, or wherever you communicate with your team. This approach is fast and convenient, especially when you're already in a conversation and just need to share the page right away. That's it. Two simple options that cover most sharing needs. Start with invites when you want targeted access, or use Copy Link for quick sharing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.